الله كده الأخبار بتكون بخير. Lesson 4 of Unit 5 is talking about two important parts. The first part, learn sounds with base B. The next part is learn to write with base B. Okay, the first thing we will talk about phonics. Okay, phonics. We have two sounds here, P plus L. Here we have to know that I have to push the air from my mouth when I get this sounds P plus L equal pl. Okay, so the letters PL make the sound pl. For examples on this sound pl, repeat after me please. Pl, play, pl, plane, pl, please, pl, planet. Okay, once again, pl, play, pl, play, pl, plane, pl, plane, pl, please, pl, please, and finally pl, planet. Okay, so this sounds like pl and letter P. Okay, there is an air, okay, from this sound. The next sound is C plus L, like cl. You know the C sound is k. C sound is k. Okay, so C plus L like cl, cl, equal cl. Letters CL make the sound cl. There are 4 examples here on this sound. The first example is cl, clock, cl, clock, cl, classroom, cl, classroom, cl, cloudy, cl, cloudy, cl, clay, cl, clay. So you have to repeat after me once again. Cl, clock, cl, classroom, cl, cloudy, and finally cl, clay. So in this session we got 2 sounds, P plus L equal pl, and there are 4 examples, and the next sound is C plus L like cl. Okay, finally, if you like this video, put like and write a comment in below of this video and subscribe on this channel. Thank you so much and see you soon.